3 horsepower Kalamazoo disc and belt sander. This unit is currently wired 220, but can also be wired 440. If you come over here, you can see right now, this unit has a 12-inch sanding wheel on it currently. It also comes with a 9-inch sanding wheel. So you pull this back, pop the wheel off, and you can change it if you need to use a 9-inch. This is the only disc that this unit comes with, and this is the only belt that this comes with. This is a new belt. This is a used disc. You come over here around to the back, you can see we have a disconnect box. Turn it off. The machine is completely dead. Turn it on. Power is back onto the machine. Come over here, we're going to do a little test drive. See, it grinds really nice. I'm really pushing on it. Motor's not bogging down at all. You can hear the bearings are still in nice shape. There's no whining or howling of the bearings. If you come over here and you pull this lever, you have as you can see, it compresses the spring so you can quickly change the belt. It's not over here, moving the adjustment nut down. Everything's out of whack. When you put the new belt on, you have to make sure it tracks straight. So once this is set, pull this down, the belt comes right off, put the belt on. Come over here, close this. You can see the belt still tracking straight after I loosen that adjustment, retighten it. This is a Kalamazoo disc and belt sander.